I'm glad I got this comment because this is a topic I've been excited to talk about for a while. Glutathione is an enzyme produced in the liver that's extremely important for the detoxification system. It can directly neutralize harmful products that are produced on a daily basis called free radicals, and this reduces the damage to cells. It can aid in cellular repair and help detoxify things like heavy metals and pesticides. It additionally has a role in detoxifying some components of plants that are actually purposefully produced by plants in order to act as a chemical protection. These include things like phytic acid and lectins, which are found in the highest concentration in grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, fruits, and vegetables, specifically in their raw form. So you might think to yourself, why haven't you seen more glutathione supplements on the market? The reason for this is because glutathione is made out of 3 amino acids: cysteine, glutamic acid, and glycine. And the issue with taking glutathione supplements by mouth, a glutathione supplement simply gets broken down into these 3 amino acids inside of our digestive system. So it's almost like taking a very expensive amino acid supplement. So it'd be far cheaper just to get these amino acids from the food that we eat. It does appear that liposomal or intravenous glutathione, in which you actually receive a glutathione injection, because it bypasses the gastrointestinal tract, can help increasing glutathione levels. However, there are natural ways to increase glutathione without the use of supplements and without having to stick a needle in your arm. As mentioned, glutathione is simply made out of 3 amino acids: cysteine, glutamic acid, and glycine. The most potent sources of cysteine are going to be animal meat and eggs, alongside a few higher protein plant products. In terms of glutamic acid, the same is true. It's going to be found in meat, poultry, fish, and eggs, and a few high-protein vegetable sources. And finally, when it comes to glycine, the highest food is actually going to be gelatin, followed by bone broth, and other gelatinous animal products such as the skin of poultry, seafood, specifically the seafood that contains skin and bones such as sardines, and also organ meats, alongside the egg, which seems to be a very rich source of all 3 amino acids, as well as a few plant products and dairy. And we could likely get far more of the amino acids through simply eating a high protein diet than we would through a glutathione supplement, and it's also a lot more cost effective. The final thing I actually want to touch on are those plant compounds I talked about earlier. You see, these plant compounds require glutathione to be detoxified, and in small doses, they can actually be helpful to increase our overall glutathione production. Because when the body is low on glutathione, it will increase many of the enzymes required in glutathione synthesis. Meaning after we have detoxified some of the compounds found in plants, it may actually increase our baseline glutathione production. And if you want to learn more about the best supplements, lifestyle protocols, and diet to take control of your health and energy, send me a DM to sign up for coaching.